Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Call of Duty mobile lag problem. For that, the first thing that you can do is head over to the Call of Duty app. Once you're inside the app, what you can do is tap on the gear icon at the top right of your screen and then head over to audio and graphics. Once you're here, set the graphic quality to low and then set the frame rate to ultra, which may somewhat help your game not lag. The other thing that you need to do is make sure that these settings are toggled to the correct ones. You can toggle off all unwanted settings or shadows which may be causing your device or your game to lag. The other thing that you must do is try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure that you have a strong and stable connection. If none of these methods work, what you can do is head over to the settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Call of Duty, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Call of Duty and then restart the game and try to play it again. If the issue still persists, then your device might not support Call of Duty too well. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.